Yes guys, welcome to another video of Diski Diary. Now in this video I just want us to take a look at our new signings where Orlando Pirates, and then they'll be going on that pre-season tour of Spain. It looks like Pirates iyabuyela Spain. They've been going there for the past 3 seasons. It looks like bayaqhubeka bayasebenzisa ama-connections waka Jose Rivero, going back to Spain for the 4th consecutive season. And then like I've already indicated with Kaizer Chiefs now lapha in Netherlands. And then I just want to reveal a few new players that will be going to, or that could be going to the Netherlands with Kaizer Chiefs. I will begin with Orlando Pirates and also touch base on Mamelodi Sundowns. Orlando Pirates, they have signed Ukabelo Mashilwane, 23-year-old right back from Baroka, replacing the outgoing Monyane. So he's filling that void laphayana backline Orlando Pirates. And also Nkosinkhona Ndaba has also signed for Orlando Pirates as far post. The 22-year-old defender who signed a 3-year deal plus a 2-year option, which makes it a 5-year deal. So Orlando Pirates replace outgoing Marco for that spot. So watch out for Nkosinkhona Ndaba. Looks like Orlando Pirates are going for young blood. All the players they have signed are South African, so they don't have to stress that foreign sport. So that's another backline abamsignile. And then in Yanele Mbothuma, I believe Orlando Pirates have joined Mamelodi Sundowns in making an offer for Richards Bay's Yanele Mbothuma. So the Bafana striker is attracting the interest of Mamelodi Sundowns. So there's a bidding war for Mbothuma Bafetu. Stay tuned to Diski 99. I will keep you up to date ngaleyo that pending transfer. And then the Orlando Pirates, they have also signed Tsepang Moremi, the 24-year-old Amazulu striker slash winger. So Ulokuzan Moremi, it looks like Orlando Pirates have won the race for his signature. So that's also on a 3-year deal for Tsepang Moremi. And then 20-year-old Kabelo Khositsile, if ngibize kahle guys, umfana omncane weBaroka uyogijima laphayana kozama Gebhula Orlando Pirates next season. And so will Masindi Nemantejela. The 23-year-old has also signed a 3-year deal with a year option. So Pirates, they are chasing all these under 23 players, so they're looking to wehlisa the average age of his squad sabo. So look out for those players. It looks like they will be going to Spain, Orlando Pirates. I must just not forget to mention Sihle Nduli from Stellenbosch. I believe Ulokuzana. Ubaka has already confirmed that the midfielder is leaving Stellenbosch. So Orlando Pirates is the next destination. Uhamba nabo laphayana Spain for pre-season. And then yeah, I don't have any details with bazobe badlala nobani lapha eSpain as yet, but yeah, Orlando Pirates, they did go there on their last tour. So in terms of facility, it shouldn't be hard for Amapagania ukuthi bathole facility, because they already are very much well connected, Spain, having been there for the past 3 seasons. And then in terms of Ikram Reynes, I believe PSG has made inquiries about Ikram Reynes. So Ikram Reynes is with Mamelodi Sundowns lapha ku Club World Cup, and yeah, he has already scored. So yeah, umfana, if he continues his goal scoring touch, I think he will add to Guma admirers wakhe lapha eEurope. So Ikram Reynes doing very well for himself in Mamelodi Sundowns. Watch out for that pending transfer to Europe. I will keep you guys in the loop ukuthi kwenzakalani ngo Ikram Reynes. Now in terms of Kaizer Chiefs, Mihlali Mayambela, I got this on speculation lapha ku media ukuthi he has been offered a 3-year deal. Umhleli, not Mayambela, Mhleli Mabuza. So yeah, Mhleli Mabuza, he was training with Kaizer Chiefs. So it looks like Kaizer Chiefs have offered the right back a 3-year deal. So Mhleli Mabuza ngathi uzohamba neKaizer Chiefs lapha eNetherlands, and so will Sipho Mbule, and so will Luke Bartman. Luke Bartman, it looks like he is replacing the outgoing Lokhuzana, umfana ubuyela lapho ku MLS, uBlom. So bafake 20-year-old Luke Bartman to plug his space. And then indaba ka Mihlali Mayambela, it's been reported in the media ukuthi iChiefs iyamfuna. My sources indicate ukuthi bakhulume ne-agent yakhe, just like uSipho Mbule. It's the agent that is selling the player to Kaizer Chiefs at this stage. So yeah, that's the data engitholayo ngoMayambela. And then uLebohang Phiri, guys, naye his agent has been speaking to Kaizer Chiefs management. Ulokhuzana uPhiri, he's obviously played for Bafana, and then he is 30 years old now. He's played for League One side Gainkamp. So yeah, ba relegated the club yakhe, and it looks like mabaya lapha ku League 2, they cannot afford services wakhe. So the midfielder is looking to come back home. So yeah, very good central midfielder uPhiri, guys. Niyamazi ke wayidlalela Bafana. So yeah, I will just do some investigation ngibone ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs iyamsigna na. Yeah, I think Chiefs, they'll be looking for someone to replace Abo Mdantsane. So it will all depend ukuthi baya renew contract yaga Matlo, because he plays in the same position as Matlo. So I don't know, I'm not sure if at this stage bazohamba naye in Netherlands, but I'm assuming ukuthi if they can conclude his deal before next week, bazohamba naye uLebohang Phiri. Yeah, Lebohang Phiri is a free agent, guys. So look out for that pending deal. And then Salum naye, guys, Lokhuzana. I hear that his deal has just been concluded. Salum comes to Kaizer Chiefs on a 3-year deal. So yeah, watch out for that one. I already did break the news on Salum. So yeah, watch out for that one. Let's hope it won't turn out like obviously he's got one year left contract yakhe ne-Azam. So Kaizer Chiefs having to buy him out of his 1 year contract. I believe Kaizer Chiefs ikhiphile 6.5 million for Salum, and yeah, you'll know that he was in South Africa recently with the Tanzanian national team. So I think that's when Kaizer Chiefs managed to wrap up his signature, Salum. Nendaba ka-Percy Tau, it looks like Percy Tau will also be signing for Kaizer Chiefs. Njengoba na sesikhulumile guys, I won't ngeke ngiyiphinde indaba yaka Percy Tau. Percy Tau looks like will be boarding on the plane going to the Netherlands ne Kaizer Chiefs. And then also Michael Olunga, he's been offered a 2-year deal. He comes to Kaizer Chiefs as a free agent. I-contract yakhe iphelile, having scored 130 goals for his previous team. So Michael Olunga from Kenya, Nairobi, uzobe ahamba ne-Kaizer Chiefs ukuya le Netherlands. And then I saw speculation regarding another striker, Robert Polievka. I doubt indaba ka Robert Polievka because he's still under contract and he was supposed to sign for Kaizer Chiefs with coach Kevin Hunt. So it's just speculation ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs have revisited their interest in Polievka. So yeah, Polievka, ama-stats wakhe this season he scored 9 goals in 24 games in all competitions for MTK Budapest. And yeah, he scored 35 goals in 179 career games. So yeah guys, that's all I have for today in terms of transfer. Remember to like and subscribe and keep on tuning in to Diski 99. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.